Hi there, welcome to Be a Surface Pro. Today's Surface Pro tip is type with your handwriting. We've updated this video to align with the Windows version that was released in March 2018. The Microsoft Windows Ink team have been working on this handwriting input panel, and they've made a number of changes to improve both the handwriting recognition results and the experience of using it. We'll put some links to our previous versions of this video below, so if you find that your handwriting tool doesn't look like ours, feel free to check back on those previous versions. Amongst the great Windows 10 touchscreen keyboard options is a handwriting input tool. The easiest way to launch this handwriting input tool is to click on the keyboard icon on your Windows taskbar with your pen. If you click on that icon with your fingertip, you'll probably get the keyboard, whereas if you click on it with your pen, you'll find that it opens up directly to the handwriting input panel. If you need to switch to the handwriting input panel, up in the top left corner, click on the keyboard settings button and select this option here. To type text using this tool, simply write along this line. Windows will convert what you write to text, and wherever your cursor is on the screen, it'll insert the typing right there. Now I'm using Word for this example, but you could use any program. We can type text into any program using our handwriting, using this handwriting input tool here. If you make a mistake, you can use touch to navigate back to the word that's wrong. Click on it with your fingertip and you'll see different suggestions across the top. If you click on one of those suggestions, it will correct the word for you and retype it into your document. By doing that, you'll be actually teaching Windows about your handwriting. It automatically learns based on the corrections that you make. If you don't see the correct word in the suggestions at the top, just write over the first letter that's wrong, and then the second letter that's wrong, etc., until your word is completely correct. Or if you find that it's way off, you can just simply draw a horizontal line through the word, or you can use the back of the pen, flip the back of the pen around and use it as an eraser to erase the word, and then start writing the correct word in that space. If you need to insert a space in a word, just draw an up arrow like this below the word. And if you need to join two words together, you can just draw a line between the two words to join them back together. On the right hand side, you'll see the Enter key, as well as the three dot symbol to expand out a little panel here. You'll see a backspace, cursor arrow keys, and also access to numbers and symbols. You'll generally find that typing email addresses and phone numbers, things like that, are not the best with handwriting. So you'd probably be better off to use the on-screen keyboard to do those tasks. But you can use this handwriting tool to quickly write a few sentences, things like maybe an email or a message. You could actually handwrite, and you might find in certain situations that it's easier to handwrite those things than it is to type. For example, if I'm sitting on a plane and there's people either side of me, it's very difficult to fit your hands in and your keyboard in. So you might prefer to flip your tablet around into the tablet mode and handwrite a few sentences out that way. If you found this tip helpful, give us the thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more Surface Pro tips. And type that writing in to the document. Start again. You might find that you don't have enough room to properly use your keyboard, to fit your keyboard. These stupid dogs making too much noise. Start again.